In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to a Slack conversation. Adding a teammate into an active Slack chat is a simple but important way to keep everyone aligned. Whether you're working in a public channel, a private channel, or a group direct message, Slack gives you a quick way to bring someone in without disrupting the flow of the conversation. In some cases, you can also control how much of the previous chat history they're allowed to see, which is especially useful for private discussions. To get started, open Slack either in the desktop app or in your web browser. Once you're inside your workspace, look over to the left-hand sidebar and open the specific conversation where you want to add someone. This could be a public channel, a private channel, or a multi-person direct message. After that, move your attention to the top area of the conversation window. In the upper right section, click on the small group of profile pictures or the member count displayed there. Depending on the conversation, it might say something like the number of people or members currently inside. Clicking that opens the conversation details panel where you can manage participants and settings. Inside that details view, look for the option labeled Add People. In some Slack layouts, you may need to open the Members tab first and then click the Add icon. Once you do that, Slack will open a new window or overlay where you can search for the person you want to include. Click into the search field and type the teammate's name or their Slack username. As you type, Slack will suggest matching profiles from your workspace. When you see the right person, click on their profile so they're selected correctly. This helps avoid inviting the wrong person, especially in larger organizations where names may be similar. If you're adding someone to a private channel or a group direct message, Slack may ask how much past conversation history they should be able to view. You can choose to include all conversation history if that person needs full context, including earlier messages, shared links, and files. Or if you want to limit access, you can choose not to include history, or in some workspaces, only include a specific recent time period. In public channels, this step is usually skipped because public channel history is already visible to everyone in the workspace. Once everything looks correct, click the Add or Done button in the lower right corner of the window. Slack will immediately update the conversation, post a system message showing that a new person was added, and send that teammate a notification so they can access the conversation right away. That is all. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.